Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Shopify to TikTok. First, navigate to your Shopify admin and search for the TikTok Sales Channel app. This free application is essential for linking your store. Once found, click Add App and follow the prompts to install it. This initial step lays the groundwork for integrating your product catalog directly with TikTok, opening up new avenues for sales and customer engagement. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. After locating the TikTok Sales Channel app, click the Add App button. You will then be prompted to review and accept the required permissions. These permissions allow TikTok to access your product information and manage orders, ensuring a smooth integration. Confirming these settings is crucial for the app to function correctly. This step securely links your Shopify store's backend with the TikTok platform, preparing it for product synchronization. Now, you'll need to connect your TikTok for Business account. If you already have one, simply log in. Otherwise, the app will guide you through creating a new account. This account is vital for managing your ads and product listings on TikTok. Once logged in, authorize the connection to allow data exchange between the two platforms. This ensures your products can be displayed and sold directly through TikTok's shopping features, reaching millions of potential customers. With your accounts linked, it's time to synchronize your products. The TikTok Sales Channel app will guide you through importing your Shopify product catalog. Review all product details, ensuring images, descriptions, and prices are accurate. Once synchronized, your products will be available for tagging in TikTok videos and live streams. You can now leverage TikTok's powerful e-commerce tools to showcase your offerings and drive sales directly from the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.